What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Old Volks TV. It's harvest time, and the harvest is bountiful. We got all the gang coming. We're here early, and there's already probably 30 cars. This is the harvest cruise. This is the day before. So this will be part one of the 2021 harvest series. We'll wait for a few more people to show up, and we'll start saying hi to everybody and get some rundowns of the cars that are here. This will be super fun. Then tomorrow morning is the actual harvest, which is behind me in this parking lot. You know the harvest, one of the best shows in Texas. So there we go. We got the Gia. My buddy drove the Gia for me. We got the bus out here today. Sean just got here. Gary and the gang.
It's really nice. Brand new parking lot. You notice that? Resurfaced the lot for us.
2/5 of the VW Life team.
Ready for a nice cruise. The weather's
Look who it is. It's Sean. Hey, Sean.
Afternoon. Hey.
Oh, wow! I like your hat. Where'd you get that hat?
All right, we'll come back after. Get some walk. Did it. Was pretty nice. We hit the infamous light here at 6:20, which basically marks the end of the cruise, and now it's kind of every man for himself trying to get to top notch as quickly as we can. to try and secure a good spot so we can have a good place to park. I think Sean's holding me a spot, so at least one. I got 2 cars here, so I guess we'll find out if we can all fit. But from here on out, it's just driving through town. It's crazy. So I'm not gonna video it because it ain't no fun. We'll see when we get to Top Notch. Somebody's been driving with the hatch up.
What hatch?
What hatch? You seen me land the drone inside your car?
No, I didn't. You flew inside the car?
Yeah, I put it right in the sunroof. Finger. Oh man! Oh, I did. I went down to like do like this, and they're no.
Get him on camera?
Yeah.
Get him like.
Damn near, she yanked him so hard.
Oh my God.
He's a fighter.
He's a fighter.
All right, look at that. The Harvest Cruise. Look who we found. Where'd he go? Oh, he's back there. Gotta put a bell on that kid. He keeps popping up behind me. So we're gonna enjoy the evening. We're gonna walk around a little bit. Maybe get a little more photos of cars. Who knows?
Did you see the squarebacks over here?
Yeah, Milo's, that's old Volks squarebacks over here. You see there? North Texas old Volks, those 2 squarebacks. So anyhow, we're gonna enjoy this top-notch weather. Good, I like your car, looks really good. And that's gonna be today, tomorrow morning, bright and early, the harvest. Can't wait, can't wait. You can push it. Where do you want me to go? Just move it and just
With the coupe?
with the leather straps. That's fire. Actually, go, top notch. Harvest Cruise, look, it's Mark.
It's me.
It's Mark. He's not gonna win anything at all. He's not allowed to raffle because he keeps taking all the raffle prizes. We had a good time, man. There's like, what do you say, like 150 cars here?
Give or take.
It's a lot.
At least 100 cars. They're parked over there. All
Yeah, we got, there's cars all over everywhere. Go back to the drone footage, you'll see half of them, because they all came after I did that. So that's it. We'll be there tomorrow to do the show bright and early,
And
check out all our friends at all the places. Subscribe, like, leave me comments.
here,
Over there. And buy a t-shirt from wherever the link is down below. Look, it's Mark. Hey!
And it's the other Mark.
And it's the other Mark. And then what?
Thanks for watching.
There it is.